Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. As you guys can see, I got the cases of the KTM together. Let me actually explain what was going on and why it took so long. So, I ordered the EXC transmission so that I can add 5th and 6th gear to my bike. What went wrong is I got the transmission in, I did all the information, the research, I did it all. I was looking everything up. I had the right transmission. So then it came time to swap the two gears out for the spacers that were inside the RFS motor. I got it swapped, and then everything was like all right until it came to putting the cases together. When I was putting the transmission in, I swear, every time I'd get everything inside the motor, I'd go to lay the top case on, and it would not line up. First time I kind of like hammered, like, I was a little rough. I'm not gonna lie. That's not like me, especially with my babies. But I was a little rough, and I got it together, and then the transmission wasn't moving. So I popped it back apart. I was like, this is ridiculous. Ripped the gasket. Had to order new gaskets. Spent probably over $100 just to get this one gasket because I ordered the Tusk kit, and then everyone recommended the OEM one. Whatever. So the actual problem that I was having was when I put the main shaft together, that was okay. I literally sat here just the other night and rebuilt the main shaft to the spec. And when I say to the spec, I mean to the spec. I have every single part number, how many teeth go on, everything. I sat here doing research. So I got the main shaft put together, which is the only shaft that should have gears changed out because you want fifth and sixth. So, and then you could put the upgraded KX 500 circlips in if you want, which I did as well. But what happened was I accidentally had two gears from the EXE countershaft swapped in for the SX ones, which was an issue because they have different gears. There's only a few of them that are identical, but for the most part, all the gears are different. They have different numbers. They're different. So my transmission was off by the slightest gap, and it was not allowing the cases to go together. But as you can see, we got the bottom end together for the most part. When I say bottom end, I just mean case halves met. We still got to do the primary gear, kickstarter shaft. We still got to get the shifting mechanism in, the oil pump setup, the clutch. These are for like last, but the flywheel, cylinder head, we still have all of that. I still haven't even cleaned up the cylinder. I don't want to like hone it. I guess, yeah, I want to go in there and clean it up. But yeah, I got these bits and pieces painted. I just went with a high heat engine flat black, but I think that's gonna look amazing with the two-piece clutch cover. I'm excited. I'm super excited. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys like a update of what was going on because I haven't been posting videos. I've literally have been I've been going through too much. One day I'll make a video just for what I've been going through, so then you guys can really get a glimpse of what's going on and why everything's been all over the place. Videos haven't been posted, and everything is so backed up. Like the videos that I post are like so old in a way, like not like a year or two like that, but they're like a couple months old, a few weeks old, and stuff like that. So I'm trying to get stuff uploaded when I'm actually going through it because it'd be pretty stupid for you guys to try to follow along and then comment, and then I'm like nowhere near where you're commenting. Now I got to go back, and it's just a bunch of yada yada yada. So I got to do that, and I already have the chassis assembled. Chassis is assembled. Obviously, it has to come back apart so that I can put the motor in. Well, not come back apart, but the swing arm has to come back off of the motor. But we are good to go. We are good to go. But yeah, I was just giving you guys a quick update. Thanks for watching. If you guys are new to the channel and would like to see this build come to a complete supermoto, stay tuned. Like this video, give this channel a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, do whatever. But definitely stay tuned for this build because I live in New York. This is gonna be probably the only, and I mean New York as in Long Island. This is probably gonna be the only RFS Supermoto on the street, period. No one else I've ran into has an RFS motor. KTM is not really known around here. Like, they know KTM, but they don't ride KTM. Like, I'm gonna have a badass bike. That's all I know. When I'm done, this is going to be a badass bike. For all the money and time I put into this, I put like over $5,000 into this bike. I'll do another video explaining how much was put into this bike. I am not a rich guy. I put over $5,000 into this bike, and it's insane. I can't wait till it's done. So thanks again for watching, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one.